Okay, this is Oliver and his Parapodium and Walker. Come on. He likes to knock down bricks. Go get him. Good job, buddy. Oliver, can you wave? Can you say hi? Oliver. Oh, he's got to knock down the last one. Good job. Good job. Can you say hi? Say hi. Hi. Can you blow a kiss? Oh, good kiss. Do your stinky face. Oh, stinky face. Where's your hair? Yeah. Where's your belly? That's your belly. Say bye-bye. Okay.